Now, the best penny stocks can produce the best results in an extremely short amount of time. We can see a stock rise 4 or 5 times, not only in one day alone, is that not unheard of, but easily in a month's time. And it's always best to find these stocks right as they're about to break through resistance, knowing that if they do break that resistance level, they can shoot up with nothing to hold them back. And that's exactly what we found in this stock that we're going to be talking about in this video. If you haven't heard about NAK, you definitely want to stick around and watch till the end so you can see why and how far this stock could shoot up. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button, and if the subscribe button is red, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and become a bro. Now, we're going to be talking about NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals, in this video. If you haven't heard about them, they're trading around 50 cents per share right now, and they were around 30 cents per share just within the last month. So they've shot up to this 50 cents per share level, but why is this significant? There's a lot of resistance at this level, and if they break through, we're not going to see much technical resistance until a level of around 90 cents per share. And if we can break through that, where's the next level? $1.20 per share. And finally, the most resistance we're going to see on a one-year graph would be the $2 mark. So we could see this stock potentially go up 4x just until we reach the last level of resistance on the annual chart, which could produce some huge gains for our portfolios. Now, what do we need to see? We need to see NAK break through this resistance level of 50 cents per share. Now, what am I really excited about? If you look at after hours trading tonight, you can see that this stock is shooting up to around 57 cents per share, and the bulls are making a move. Well, this is excellent news because if it opens up and it opens up higher like it's doing right now, we could see this stock soar tomorrow. It could potentially soar and hit the level of resistance around 88 cents per share or roughly 90 cents per share in tomorrow's trading. This would be a huge gain for one day alone, almost 100% just in one day. Now, do I think it could go all the way up there in one day? It's more than less unlikely that it's going to go all the way to 90 cents tomorrow. But if we do break this level of resistance, the next resistance we're going to see is 90 cents per share. And where do we go from there? If we see a pullback, it's going to be extremely beneficial for you to protect your profits. We never know how far back a stock can pull when it hits a level of resistance, and it could potentially fall all the way back down to support at 50 cents per share. But if we break that level of 90 cents, where's the next level of resistance we're going to see? If you pull the stock chart out to a one-year graph, you can see that the next level of resistance isn't going to be until around $1.20 per share. So this could signify almost a 3x increase in this stock before we reach the second level of resistance. And finally, if you want to see a 300% increase in this stock within the next year, you can hold it all the way out until the $2 level, which would be 4x on your investment. Now, this would be a huge move, and if you've gotten in even earlier, if you were lucky enough to get in around the 30 cent per share range, this would be a huge investment, and this would be a huge increase in this one stock alone. So if you pull this graph out to a one-year chart, you can see that NAK had a lot of support around 30 cents per share, and now it's testing that 50 cent per share level. If it breaks through, this could definitely be something that we add to our portfolios maybe tomorrow or in the week ahead. So what do you want to see before you pull the trigger and add this position? You always want to see that the stock is rising. Now, if it opens higher tomorrow, so let's say it opens higher tomorrow and it opens somewhere around the after hours trading close. Let's say it opens somewhere around 57 to 60 cents per share. This is going to be excellent news for us, but we want to make sure that we don't see a lot of profit taking right after the open. We want to make sure that if we do open higher, we continue to have that follow through and this stock continues to move higher maybe 30 minutes to an hour after the open. Now, if it's doing this, we can go ahead and add it to our portfolios, but what do we always want to do? We want to make sure that we protect ourselves to the downside, so have your exit criteria ready. If you're not a long-term holder, an excellent take profit level could be that 88 cent to 90 cent level where we can see the next level of resistance. You could get in around 57 or 60 cents per share and ride it all the way up to 90 cents, which would give you a 50% return in hopefully a short amount of time. Now, if you believe that this stock has potential and we could see even higher gains from it, we could hold until the $1.20 mark. This would also be an excellent take profit level, as you would double your money and you would make a 100% return in hopefully a short amount of time. And finally, if you really believe in the stock and we see it break through that level of 90 cents, we see it break through that level of $1.20, we could hold this stock all the way up to $2 a share before we really have to worry about taking profit. Or beyond there, the sky's the limit, right? If we break through the final level of resistance, where do we have to turn around? What's going to hold it back? We could see this stock soar 5, 10x in the next year or so, and this would be huge gains for us. Now, with that being said, if any of you have this stock, NAK, in your portfolio right now, let us know what share price you got in at. We always love to see when people are making money on their investments. It inspires the rest of us to do better. So start a conversation down in the comments below if you believe that NAK has what it takes to produce 3, 4, 5x returns over the next year, and if you think this is a good short-term or long-term investment. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, you got one more shot. Click the subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. And if you like the video and you share it on Stock Twits, make sure to tag me at ClayBro. So until the next time, I hope that all of you have an awesome day.